Let me show you how to use the lot size calculator, but first let me explain the purpose of it. So the lot size calculator is to help you manage your risk. And so a lot of people have issues with trying to figure out how much they should be risking of their account. And so a lot of people blow their accounts because they over leverage their account. So I created this lot size calculator where you can come in, select your pair. We have indices, gold on Forex, silver on Forex, and then we have some of the major USD pairs. And so I'm usually on gold, so I'm gonna select gold, put my account size in there, 10,000. I'm gonna go with the safe option because I don't want to even come near blowing my account. So I'm gonna go with risking 0.025% of my account. And I can say, oh, I want a 50 pip take profit. So then it'll give me my lot size. That's how I'm risking. Well, this is how much I'm risking. If I hit my stop loss, I'll lose $20 and I can make 10. Or I can risk a little bit more and I'll make $30. But this is managing our risk. So when you go down here, this is set up for TradeX Mastery's daily drawdown, a max drawdown. So we have a daily loss limit of 400 and a max loss limit of $700. So we're safe for 6 losses in a row today at 0.7. Or if we did the safe version, we're safe for 20 losses in a row. So it'll take us much more trades to get there, but we have more chances to lose. And so you would have to lose 35 consecutive trades in order to hit your drawdown limit for your max drawdown limit. So this is what you'll do every single day. So every day, whatever your account balance, say you're at $10,050 now, you'll come in, put that in, and you'll just, whatever lot size that it says here, that's what you're going to use for all of your trades for that day. And so when we, and the pip juice, when you're setting up your trades, and when you go into your trade locker account and you're taking the trades, this is going to be the lot size that you use. So let's say here where it says lots, you'll come to 0.02 lots and just do that every single day. And so that'll keep you within the prop guardrails where you won't fail the challenge because you broke the rules. Okay, so that's it, guys. I'll see you in the next video. All right, peace.